Hi guys, so today we are making a classic dish that's always crowd pleaser, crispy breaded chicken. This recipe is super easy to follow and perfect for a weekend night or a casual get together. In this video I'll guide you through the entire process from preparing the chicken to the final golden brown perfection. Get ready to enjoy some delicious homemade crispy chicken. So now let's begin. So first take 4 chicken breast. Then cut the chicken breast in long strips. Cut the chicken as shown. Cut all the chicken breast similarly. Then to marinate the chicken strips, add some salt to taste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 2 stock cube, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, which is optional, 2 whole eggs. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about half an hour. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take the marinated chicken and some breadcrumbs. And simply coat the marinated chicken. Make sure to coat it nicely. So all the chicken is coated with the breadcrumb, and then simply fry the chicken. Then in a hot pan add oil and fry the chicken until golden brown and crispy. Make sure to keep the flame on medium to low. So once the chicken is ready, simply turn it around and cook it on the other side until crispy and golden brown. And there you have it guys, a delicious, crispy and perfectly cooked breaded chicken. Serve it with your favorite sides like fries, mashed potatoes or a simple salad. This recipe is easy to follow and perfect for a weekend night or a special occasion. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.